I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by picking where the VPN comes from and getting credentials ready. Once done, install the VPN extension from Edge add-ons or enable Edge Secure Network inside settings. Make sure you grant any permissions the extension asks for, then pin the icon to the toolbar so it's quick to access. If Edge prompts to restart, do it now to load the extension. This gets the connection components active, so you can move straight into configuring server and privacy controls. Once signed in, you'll pick a server region based on speed or location needs. Closer servers usually mean lower latency. Make sure to choose the protocol or performance profile the provider recommends for browsers. This balances speed and security. Configure split tunneling or site exceptions so trusted sites bypass the VPN when necessary. Also enable the kill switch or browser network protection if available. That prevents leaks when the VPN drops. Finally, check the extension's privacy toggles for WebRTC and DNS leak protections to reduce fingerprinting. Now connect using the toolbar icon. You should see a clear connected status and the server region you chose. Verify the change by checking your IP and DNS information with a quick online lookup, and then test access to the sites or services you need. If pages don't load, toggle the extension off and on, clear Edge cookies and cache, or switch to a different server region. If problems persist, restart Edge and, as a last step, contact your VPN support with logs and error messages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.